Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to turn on developer mode on Android. So the phone which I'm using right now is Oppo A5 or something like that. And in this phone, how you turn on developer mode is go on your settings, and on your setting go to additional setting. If you can't find the additional setting, then you can just go on the search bar and type additional settings. As you guys can see, mine is displayed over here. Click on additional settings and then scroll down until you see developer option over here. Mine's right below accessibility. Click on developers option, and now to turn it on, just click on it, and my developer option has turned on. And if I want to turn it off, I can just click on this. So it's that simple. So that's how you turn on developer mode on Android. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video I should do next. Now remember, these steps are not correct for every Android phones. It's just similar for some, because every Android has their own type of setting, so it's different for different Androids. So yeah, and this step might not work for iOS. Sorry for that. So yeah, I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.